In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Patreon account. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside Patreon's privacy tools so you can permanently erase your account and associated personal data. Deleting your account can't be undone, so consider downloading any receipts or saving important information first. If you support creators or have memberships, those will end once the erasure is processed. Start by opening a web browser, going to patreon.com, and logging into the account you want to delete. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile. If you're using the mobile app and don't see the options I mentioned, switch to a mobile or desktop browser where the full site menu is available. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the left sidebar where your profile name appears. Right beside your name, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. Click that to open a small menu with additional links and settings that aren't shown by default. From that menu, choose Privacy Policy. This takes you to Patreon's dedicated privacy site, which hosts the tools you need to make data requests, including account erasure. On the privacy site, look for the option labeled Make a Privacy Request. It may appear as a button or link that opens a request flow. Click it to continue. When the request options appear, select Erase. This tells Patreon you want to permanently delete your account and remove personal data in accordance with their policies. Take a moment to read any notes on what gets deleted and what may be retained for legal or security reasons. Next, you'll see an authorization screen asking you to allow the privacy tool to access your basic account identity so it can process the request. Click. Allow file. This is a standard authorization step that confirms you're the account owner and lets the tool link your request to the right profile. You'll then be shown a confirmation screen. Review the details carefully, and when you're ready, click. Confirm request. Submitting this request starts the erasure process. You should receive an email confirming that your request was received, and Patreon will handle the deletion on their end. Processing can take some time, and certain items, like invoices or limited security logs, may be retained as required by law, but your account access and memberships will be removed. That's it. After you confirm, keep an eye on your email for updates. If anything looks off or you don't receive a confirmation, visit the privacy page again or contact Patreon support for help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and stress-free.